So hi guys, hello everyone who are watching us live. My name is Nitin Gandhi and I'm a Senior Manager Operations at RICS. Today we have with us Swati and Satish, who are first year students of RICS School of Built Environment. And Swati is currently studying with in a program of MBA CPM, and Satish is doing MBA in quantity surveying. So welcome guys on board, and let's connect and discuss about your experience with Alumni Mentorship Program.
Sure,
Welcome.
sir. Welcome,
Thank
sir.
you,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Sure. So, Swati, to start with you, I wanted to understand, while this message for Alumni Mentorship Program was communicated to you, how the journey went for you. How did you started, and you were able to identify the mentor with the alumni of RICSSP.
Yeah. Actually, sir, I received a mail from RICS in which there was a big group of mentors which you guys have allotted us. So in that pool of resources, I select two people for me. And they were like, I saw their profile on LinkedIn as well, and I basically connect with them. And they are like quite good people in respect of like giving their valuable advices, and they are like doing this their stuff they are doing MRICS, and they are also aspiring for PMP too. So in that
Mm-hmm.
profile also I'm having a good guidance from them, plus in my curriculum the subjects I am into, they are also guiding me for these things, how I need to cope up with the subjects, how should I go for the softwares they are using, they are working practically in their organizations, like this way.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I'm sure you guys have had an interaction with the mentor, the one you have identified, and both of you agreed to be in this kind of mentor-mentee setup. So Satish, what have been the key areas of discussion with your mentor when you had
Yeah,
these kind of discussions?
yeah, sir. We had a very good discussion, very long discussion actually. The key areas where he was guiding us how to approach to an interview and how to crack an interview, how to approach every subject which we are studying right now, and how to prepare for an aptitude. And he also guided me that how to approach a staff and how to speak with others. It was a very wonderful experience, sir. Actually, I should appreciate RICS for giving this type of opportunity to speak with people who already passed out. Even I'm even amazed to see that the people are the passed out students are so much interested to take the initiative to guide us, the freshers, so that we usually freshers don't have, they will be clueless in the first year. So there is one particular, there is some people who are guiding from outside world also in the what is happening there, so that we could learn many things.
Yes,
So
I
I
am
was
agree
Good
very
with
to
much
you.
know.
benefited.
Right. So good to know that you understand the value of this kind of engagement. It is more or less the same in terms of you are having an industry experience while you are learning in the first year, and
Yes,
gradually when you graduate from the school after 2 years, you would have probably 1.5 years of practical experience while working with the alumni, as well as your the curriculum that you've learned. So you are a packaged resource who would probably as good as someone who is down there in the industry with 2 years of experience.
yes, sir.
So coming back to you, Swati, what have been your expectations in terms of learning or getting in with in this kind of setup? What were you expecting, and are some of it has been addressed? I know that it's very we are at very nascent stage. You might have had only one or two interactions. So
Mhm.
what are your key areas of expectations in the short term and the long term?
Yeah. Sir, actually, this RICH is also accredited with PMI, right? The course we are studying is accredited with that too. So the
Right.
ultimate goal of, I guess, every person is like PMP. After some years of their industrial experience, they will obviously want for the PMP too, right? So basically, I
They
am
may.
also, pardon?
So they may opt for PMP, but more
Yeah.
relevant will be MRICS.
Right,
Yes,
right. So yeah, that's what I told you. Ki like both of my mentors are good enough, and they are like they are also preparing for the MRICS and PMP as well. So they are already in that path. So they are guiding me how I need to devote my time and how I need to schedule my time according to the studies with the PMP preparation as well.
Got it. So,
Sir,
any particular learnings that you have had? Yeah, Satish, you were saying something.
sir, I would like to add on to Swati's point. Sir, as for the future goals or long-term goals, I was so much eager to know how to approach this yeah, to get this MRICS and all. So my alumni was helping me in choosing one specific area so that we could concentrate in that so to get MRICS. So he gave me some suggestions how to choose that particular pathway to get that MRICS. So in that way, it was helpful to me.
Sure.
Yes, sir. We cannot, in fact, we cannot search each and everything on internet, right? So the person who is into that thing, they can guide you more better.
Right. So essentially, starting with the skill, probably, the coursework that you need to focus on more, the challenges related to academics, some support with the internship, research assignments, and so on. So there's a plethora of things that you can, work it out with your alumni. And I wish you all the best in your, interaction with the future interactions with the alumni. Now, there are certain areas wherein not everyone is utilizing this opportunity. While I understand that there were the exams going on and people are not able to get into this setup, especially the first year students. What message would you like to give them in terms of how they can benefit out of this program, and how should they approach? So Satish, starting with you on this part.
Sir, actually, since this is the first year, RICS has taken this wonderful initiative of this alumni mentorship. Many students might not know the what is the biggest advantages we are getting in this. Every week they are speaking with mentor-mentee teacher with the staffs who are teaching us inside. This alumni mentorship gives us opportunity to know what is happening outside in the construction industry, how the people who are getting placed and what type of jobs they are working in, and in what type of skill set we should have to get in order to work outside in the companies which we get placed in before itself, so that we can enrich our skills now itself to perform very good in the outside world. So that in that way, I suggest all the students who are not using this opportunity to use it very carefully and wonderfully to gain the advantages which have been unknown to the people who are not using it. So I would recommend all the students to use this wonderful opportunity.
Sure. Swati, what are your views?
Yeah, sir, I would love to add in Satish things like I'm totally agree with him. It's a very good opportunity. In fact, it's a two-way beneficial thing. Like we are getting something from the mentors, and mentors are also glean something from us. Like they are also uh, basically they are also sharpen up their leadership skills. Plus, they are also getting a sense of satisfaction that they are guiding somebody. So it's like a
Definitely.
two-way benefit, right? और जिस पथ पर आप निकले हैं चलने के लिए, राइट, ठीक है, जो भी आपको लाइफ में आगे अचीव करना है इस कोर्स से, बी इट CQS, बी इट CPM, तो इफ द पर्सन हु इज लाइक जो आपसे आगे है वो आपको अच्छे से गाइड कर पाएगा ना, प्रोफेशनली भी, प्लस आपने जो पढ़ा है वो ऑलरेडी वो पढ़ चुके हैं, तो वैसे एक एकेडमिक थिंग में भी आपको हेल्प मिलेगी.
Agree to your point.
Really very well idea. I must appreciate you guys. It takes time to get the people and to like list all them and आगे उस चीज को इनिशिएटिव की तरह लेकर जाना, and I think कि everybody should react positively for this thing.
Sure. Thank you so much for that appreciation, and I really, second your thoughts that it's a two-way learning. It's you who are getting an experience from that industry professional, and they are also able to sharpen up their probably resource management skills. Working with the team, working in probably working as an individual coordinator as well as remote working, or probably mentoring a student and so on. There are a lot of things to learn from the both the parties.
Yeah.
So
So
I
in
think
fact,
yeah.
I would like sorry to interrupt you. I just would like to add one thing कि मेरी mentor बोलती हैं it's like कि see यार जब हम तुम्हारे जगह पर थे तो there were nobody and there was not such kind of opportunities as well, so you people are lucky कि हम तुमको मिल रहे हैं और it's like कि तुम्हें अच्छे से गाइड कर पा रहे हैं, so we are happy कि एक जो चीज हमें नहीं मिली वो तुमको मिल पा रही है और हम तुम्हें अच्छे से बता पा रहे हैं, तो it would be easy for you as well.
Right, so true. Yes, Satish, you want to say something?
Sir, I would like to add on to Swati. Sir, I would like to tell that very few universities give this type of opportunities or a chance to speak with alumni, and even the universities are speaking with the people who are already left the university and they are working in some jobs to help the students who
Hmm.
are presently pursuing. So very few universities take this type of initiative. So I would suggest every student to use this wonderful opportunity, and we are lucky actually to be in this type of in this university where we are being given chances to speak with alumni very freely, like as a friend. So I want to tell this, just share this.
Sure. Thank you so much, guys, for sharing your views and your experience while working with the alumni mentors. I wish you get a lot of first-hand exposure and a lot of learning that would actually help you grow ahead in your career quickly and seamlessly. And you may get the opportunity to be an MRICS down the line. Uh,
Yeah.
After 2 years of completing your graduation. So best wishes for that. And to our viewers, this was the first hand experience of the students of RICS School of Built Environment while they are working with the alumni mentors, and they're building up and sharpening their skills. So thank you for being with us tonight, this evening, and we'll come back with a few more updates from various other engagements that we are planning. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for
Thank you,
joining
sir.
us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.